Shalom, shalom, Shanipo. This session looks at the common Bantu words in Ichibemba which have a similar or the same meaning in ancient Hebrew under the letter Kaf. Kul. Kul means to sustain, to provide what is needed, to make someone or something whole or complete. Ukukula means to build something or someone in Ichibemba. Kana. Kana means lower, to be brought down low in humility or submission. Similar word, akana, refers to someone or something small. Next word is katav, which means to write, to inscribe a story, thoughts, or instructions in a variety of mediums, including stone, papyrus, leather, or parchment. Katabo refers to a book in Ichibemba. The next word is kaved, which means heavy, having great weight or heaviness. A similar sounding word, kofina, means to be heavy or something that is very heavy in Ichibemba. Next word is kol, which means all, the whole of a group. A similar word, kolu, refers to the largest or biggest part in Ichibemba. The next word is kahad, which means keep secret, to refrain from disclosing information. In Ichibemba, kaka akanwa refers to the same thing. Next word is kara, which means to stoop, to bend the body or crouch down by bending or getting on the knees. Kala or ikala means sit down in Ichibemba and is also a common word in many Bantu languages. Next word is ki, which means given that, prone or disposed to according to what preceded. In Ichibemba, a similar word, kaili, has a similar meaning. The Hebrew word tebah refers to slaughtering, the act of slaughtering meat, or the slaughter, or one who slaughters. A similar word in Ichibemba, teba or ukuteba, means to cut, as in cutting trees or wood. The next word is a very common word in Hebrew, todah, which means thanksgiving, to praise. Tota or natota means I thank you in Ichibemba, usually expressed with a clapping of hands. Shalom, shalom, shalom po.